Money, it's something we all need, desire, and let's face it, sometimes stress over. But what if I told you that attracting money isn't about luck or chasing after it frantically? What if I told you that wealth begins with your mindset and the energy you project? Today, we are going to share with you powerful principles backed by real factors, actionable habits, and the psychology of abundance. This isn't about a quick fix or a magic wand. It's about transforming how you think, feel, and act around money. First, let's talk about belief. How many of us grew up hearing phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, or you have to work hard for every penny? These beliefs sink deep into our subconscious and create barriers that block us from receiving wealth. But here's the truth. Your mind is the first and greatest tool for attracting money. If you don't believe you deserve it, if you see wealth as distant or unattainable, then your actions will reflect that. So start with this affirmation. I am worthy of financial abundance. I know it sounds simple, but when you change your beliefs, your actions follow. Now let's shift our focus. Instead of obsessing over income, shift your focus to creating value. Wealth doesn't come from counting dollars. It comes from offering solutions, meeting needs, and building something that serves others. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a creative, or working a 9-to-5 job, ask yourself, how can I bring more value to the table? When you provide value, money becomes a natural byproduct. Think about the most successful companies or individuals. They're solving problems, they're improving lives, and in return, they attract wealth. So ask yourself, what value can I offer the world that no one else can? Find it, refine it, multiply it. Here's where many people stumble. We get inspired, we set goals, but we don't follow through. Action is the bridge between intention and manifestation. You can have the most positive mindset in the world, but without consistent, bold action, you're just dreaming. But here's the good news. You don't need to take giant leaps. Start with small, focused steps. Set realistic financial goals. Take that first action, whether it's saving, investing, launching your business, or seeking that promotion. Keep moving forward one day at a time, because every small action compounds into big results. Part 4. Develop a wealth-conscious environment. Here's a factor we often overlook. Your environment either attracts wealth or repels it. What do I mean by that? Look around you. Are you surrounding yourself with people who uplift you, who believe in growth and abundance? Or are you in circles that reinforce scarcity and doubt? Choose an environment that reflects the wealth you want to attract. Create physical spaces that inspire you to succeed. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals and remove the negative clutter that blocks your flow of abundance. Part 5. Practice gratitude and generosity. One of the most powerful keys to attracting money is this: gratitude and generosity. It may seem counterintuitive, but when you appreciate what you already have, you open yourself to receiving more. Gratitude is like a magnet that pulls abundance toward you. And generosity? It's proof to the universe and to yourself that you live in abundance. When you give, whether it's time, resources, or support, you're affirming that there's always more where that came from. You're creating a flow, a cycle, where wealth moves to and through you. Part 6. Stay persistent and trust the process. Finally, understand that wealth isn't a destination, it's a journey. There will be challenges, there will be moments of doubt. But remember, consistency and trust in the process are key. Wealth flows to those who don't give up, who stay resilient, and who trust that their value, actions, and mindset will bring them to where they need to be. So now we are going to conclude the whole idea as, if you want to attract money, it's not about chasing it. It's about becoming the type of person that naturally attracts it. Align your thoughts, your actions, and your environment. Believe in your worth, focus on creating value, and always take action with persistence and purpose. Because here's the truth, wealth is already within your reach. All you have to do is unlock it. So are you ready to step into your financial independence? Unlock your financial power. Believe, act, achieve.